Hello, this video is to go through the word count challenge for week 4 of the A-level computer.co.uk C# challenges. So we have to make a function that will count how many words we have with a string that's passed as a parameter. We're allowed to use regular expressions. You can do it without, but I'd strongly recommend you get your head around regular expressions because they're so helpful for so many things at A-level. So we have to work out what we mean by a word. With some of the test data that we have here, for example, the smiley face doesn't count as a word. A word is classed as lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, numerical characters, so 0 to 9, or underscores. Everything else is just ignored. Also, if we have multiple spaces, then that doesn't mean we have lots and lots of words. So we're only counting the words rather than counting the word boundaries. I would recommend that you use regex 101 whenever you're testing your regular expressions and putting them together, because it's a nice way of explaining them. You can put your test data in the test string, and then let's remember how regular expressions work. If you put in a character here, your regex, your regular expression is going to search for that character. You can also have character classes, as in you can have all of the characters that you want to try and search for, or like A to C will search for any of those characters, or A to Z will match all capital letters. We can put in multiple character classes like A to Z capital, A to Z lowercase, 0 to 9 for all the numbers, and an underscore. So that's going to match everything that we count as a word, but it will only match a single character. So we've got how many different matches here? 6 different matches, because we've got 6 different occurrences of that character class. If we put a plus afterwards, it means that we want to match one of those types of characters more than once. So a star means 0 or more times, a plus means 1 or more times. So now we've counted how many words we've got. Here we've got 2 words, that's the third word. Doesn't matter if we've got lots and lots of spaces, it should ignore anything other than characters that we want and only match the words. So once we've got the regular expression, we can put that into our code and use a regex. So regex.match, we need to know what we're searching, so that's our input parameter, and we need the regex that we're searching for. If we use an at symbol, then we don't need to escape this, not that we need to escape it anyway. But that will only match the first match, so we'd only ever get one word here. We want to have a match collection, as in get every single time that we find a word. So we'll use regex.matches to return all of them, and then just count how many matches there are, and that can be returned. So that should be our word count. Strongly recommend reading up on regexes, asking for help if you need it, but hopefully that passes all of the tests.